video. Today we have 25% off from Direct Outlet Factory Tools. Guys, great deals, 25% off all the tools. Go ahead and check it out. I'm going to go ahead and click here, shop all. Says allow. Alright, so you guys could pretty much, pick your favorite brand here. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the Ryobi. Alright, so we got a whole bunch of Ryobi stuff here. As you guys see, 25% off the regular price here from Direct Tools. If you guys don't know, factory blemished is brand new, except that they can't say it's brand new because they're not. Home Depot has the right to sell only. It's a only Home Depot only product, but they do have to say factory blemish, but it's brand new. Guys, there's a lot of stuff here. $22 from $29. Circ for $44.99. You got the Laser Cube Compact Leveler. There's a whole bunch of stuff you guys could get from Ryobi. I believe they do have other brands too. Let's see here. They got Rigid, Job Max, Home Light, Power Stroke, Hoover, Power Fit, Load More. They don't have. Those are all the ones that they have. So you guys could get the 40 volt stuff. Hopefully it'll let me choose the 40 volt stuff. All right. It didn't let me somehow. Alright, so, oh yeah. So the 40 volts stuff is included. The blower, 500 CFM for $74.99 from $99. You got the 40 volt brushless backpack blower kit, $149. That is the kit. You got the 550 CFM, $119. You got the weed whacker here, 40 volts with attachment capable, $74. You got the chainsaw, it's a 14-inch, $97.49. You got one of the mowers there. I got this tool. This tool's really nice. You got here's a blower kit, 525 CFM, 112. Let's see what else. You got a battery here, $89. So guys, definitely check it out. You guys can go through all this, and I believe they do have the fans too. Let's see here. I know you guys like the fans. We're gonna go and check this, and we're gonna check. I hate this. All right, shop by stores. We're gonna search Ryobi clip fan. See, they do have it in stock, guys, for $14.99. Definitely check it out, guys. Lots of great deals. Order yourself 6 of these or 4 of these, however many you need. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.